This is a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT with the top of the line 302A package on it. It is four-wheel drive and it has just under 2,500 miles on it. So extremely low miles. It's got the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost turbo motor with the 10-speed auto. Silver paint. It's got the medium gray cloth interior. So you got the reverse sensors. Got the Oklahoma edition badging. Tow package. Pretty much a perfect bed. I don't really see. Didn't look like it was really used. You got LED bed lights there in the corner. Power sliding rear glass. Got the 18-inch chrome wheels. LED blinkers on the side mirrors. Chrome tow hooks, chrome bumpers. Got the running boards with the chrome accents. And then you have the door keypad code entry, and we will provide the OEM factory code with that as well. I'm gonna get into the shade here. Got a backup camera. Sync 3 with voice commands. There's your four-wheel drive. And this has the 355 gears, electronic locking. Just pull the knob out. Got your heated seats, 12-volt port, storage cubby down here, 2 USB ports. There's your built-in trailer brake controller, Bluetooth, cruise control. There's your miles, 2,426 miles. Automatic headlights. Power adjustable pedal. Those mirrors on the side are heated. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Power driver seat. 40-20-40 split bench. So you got a little cubby in here. Flip up the seat, get another seat there. You got storage underneath. You got 2 USB ports, a 12-volt port. Some storage underneath. OEM floor mats still in the plastic because it has the upgraded rubber floor mats. You do have a 110-volt outlet here with your 12-volt port. I do have the original window sticker. So I'm going to take a picture of this and put these little screenshots in the photo section so you can see them all in detail, all the different options. Non-smoker. I mean, super clean. I mean, it's practically a brand new truck. So